As you can perhaps tell by that pile of ash 1x6s, I got the old wood miser up and running and sawing logs finally. It just needs some fine adjustment, so I'm here fine adjusting it with a hammer. That's the correct tool for that. Now, actually that roller is looking pretty good. I don't know what I was thinking. It felt like it was out of adjustment, but I guess it isn't. The other one though is definitely out of adjustment. Yeah, that, you see that gap in between the back of the blade and this flange is supposed to be 1/16 of an inch, and that's more like 3/16. So the solution to that is loosen one horizontal and one vertical set screw and just tap it forward and then tighten those again. That way your adjustment this way and that way is not affected. So that's what I'm fixing to do. And then I'll saw some logs. If you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. And as my pappy used to say, be of good cheer.